Hi friends, March 11th at 7 p.m. What do you got going on? Well, you've got a date with me. We're going to make a liver support tincture. So here's your grocery list. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need some milk thistle. You're going to need dandelion. You can have leaves or roots. You are going to need burdock. If all you have is the burdock leaves, that's fine. Burdock root, that's fine. You're going to need some Oregon grape. And you're going to need stinging nettle. Milk thistle, dandelion, burdock, Oregon grape, and stinging nettle. You need a jar with a lid. Let's get a quart jar. You've got 5 different herbs. Let's go with a quart jar. You need a high proof alcohol. I'd like to see you have 100 proof. A wooden spoon. You need either a coffee filter or some parchment paper. And you need to hop on at 7 o'clock, March 11th, and we'll do this. Research the herbs. If you don't want to use all those are fine. It's up to you. It's for your health, so you do what's good for you. I hope to see you there. I'm excited. Stay healthy, friends.